Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Don't Throw Your Tea Bags. Here are 17 interesting uses for old tea bags. Tea is a healthy beverage that people have been drinking for millennia. But what can you do with tea that is old, gone stale, or just lost its flavor? Good news! Tea, beyond being a flavorful health beverage, has some properties that make it useful around the home and in everyday life. The tannin in tea makes it a powerful cleanser. In general, we usually throw away the tea bags once we are done preparing the tea. But this is wrong, as used tea bags can be used in numerous other ways. Here are some amazing hacks you can do based on the superpower of teas. Make your hands smell fresh. Our hands may smell bad after preparing meals that contain garlic, onions, or fish, and the odor can stick around for quite a long time. People think that nothing helps, but rubbing your hand with a peppermint tea bag will remove the odors and keep your hands smell fresh. A great mouthwash. Soak an old, used tea bag in a cup of warm water, then use the mixture as a mouthwash to prevent bad breath and keep it fresh. Treat infections. Did you know that some tea bags can help you in case of infections? Herbal teas often have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which can treat any kind of infection and prevent it from spreading. Eliminates odors. Tea bags are the perfect odor absorber. Just put one in your trash bin and you can say goodbye to odors forever. You can also use the tea bags to relieve odors coming from your fridge, carpet, or cat litter box. Relieve razor burns. Dampen a few tea bags in warm water, then use them as a compress on your razor burns to get some much needed relief and prevent rashes and itchy skin. A powerful natural hair rinse. Rinsing your hair with used tea bags will nourish your hair with nutrients and acts as a conditioner which will provide great volume and shine to your hair. A great compost. Tea bags are the perfect compost for your soil. They will nourish the plants with nutrients and keep most pests away. However, make sure to get rid of the staples before putting them in the compost pile. Portable custom air fresheners. Tie your favorite tea bag in the car to give it a pleasant smell. I recommend using lavender, jasmine, or peppermint tea bags for this purpose. Prevent grease from sticking on your dishes. Used tea bags can suck up the grease and burn on food from your dishes and pots and prevent the grease from sticking on your dishes. Soak a few tea bags in the affected pots and pans overnight, then rinse with water in the morning. Refresh your tub. Leave a used tea bag to soak in your tub to make it smell fresh and clean it well. Keep mice away from your home. Mint is a perfect natural deterrent for many pests including mice, spiders, and ants. If these pests are bothering you, just put peppermint tea bags around your home and you will never have to fear them again. Anti-inflammatory agent. Tea bags are powerful anti-inflammatory agents that can relax your body and treat problems such as blisters, bug bites, sunburn, and tired eyes as well. Applying them to an injured area will also accelerate the healing of bruises and minor wounds. Keep your plants healthy. To keep your plants healthy and help them grow, you should put a few used tea bags on the bottom of the pot. Then cover with soil. The bags will supply your plants with essential nutrients and keep them growing stronger. Treat warts. Put a green tea bag over your warts and leave it to work for a bit. Repeat the process every day and the warts should fall off soon. Natural dye. Old tea bags are a perfect natural dye for your hair. They work on lighter colors and can be used for a brown, orange or greenish tint. Tea bags can also be used to dye crafts, gift paper, cards and clothes. They are also non-toxic, so they won't harm your health like commercial dyes. Give your meals a great flavor. Old tea bags can give your dishes a great flavor. I recommend cinnamon, jasmine, green tea or chai bags for best results. Treats, poison, ivy rashes. If you have got blisters on your skin from a poison ivy rash, you can eliminate it with the help of certain tea bags. Peppermint tea bags work best. Just dampen them with a bit of water and apply them on the affected area to relieve the irritation and soothe the skin. There you go, 17 interesting ways of using old and used tea bags. Try some of them yourself and you will be amazed by the results. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.